Chiwai asked, would you think it's feasible to increase the max bid limit manually? In order to win in terms of impression share and to appear top of the pages versus your competitors, because despite you doing so, like not much difference, just let it automatic and hope for the best. What's your take?
Okay, so in fact, for my end, right, internal, as in our internal workflow is where initially we always start off with like a manual bid, or sometimes we call enhanced CPC lah, in a way. So we will use manual bid for initial phase, where once conversion starts coming in, we definitely want to transit clients to maximize conversions. If there's a budget limitations, if without, then we always can go to target CPA and all this, because sometimes clients do have like a specific KPI in mind, right? Oh, I need to have like $17 cost per acquisition. So those we will always try to switch to that, because we don't want to really use manual bidding, because ultimately what is the right bid to put it, right? So of course the downside is you can't control. The moment you set auto bidding, whatever bids you set on the keyword level or ad group level will be override, right? So then that is where you in some cases where maybe Google think that, hey, that particular search might not convert, then they will not bid so high or something. So to me, I think that is okay. So usually for me, if the client has specific requirements, say, hey, I want to be first, I want to outrank my competitors, then I might even do a case where I use the auto bidding strategy, target impression share or something, or target top page bid, something like that. I can't remember what is the exact one. So in fact, in the past, I used this because my clients specifically say, hey, I want to be higher than my competitors. So that's where you can set that, use auto bid to help you with that particular goal. But most of the time, I will just leave it to smart bidding to automate that part.